Hello everyone, welcome to Kid and Food Diaries. Who doesn't like this crunchy, yummy peanut chickies, right? But have you ever tried preparing it by yourself at home? If not, this recipe is for you and you must try this at home. Last week, I visited my uncle's home and he's an expert in preparing these peanut chickies. So I requested him to prepare it so that I can learn the recipe and share it with you all. We took about 1 kg of roasted peanuts, and here he is rubbing the peanuts between his fingers so that the skin gets separated from the peanuts. Always take plain peanuts without any salt and spices. So here we are separating the skin from the peanuts. Now slightly crush the peanuts like this, and then we need these jaggeries. So jaggery should be organic, it should not have any other chemicals or salt content. We call this type of jaggery as unde bella, which is round in shape and it is always free from salt and any other chemicals. So always take this particular jaggery, which goes really well with the peanut chicky. So we took 700 grams of this jaggery and we added a very little water and we have kept the flame very low. Now we have a thick jaggery syrup and we have to stir it continuously until we get a very thick jaggery syrup. When the syrup turned thick, we added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You may also add cardamom instead of vanilla. The syrup is really thick now. We can test it by putting a drop of syrup in cold water, and it should turn really hard. It will look something like a glass when it is removed from the water. So look at it. So that's how it should be. The syrup should be so thick. So it is so hard, and immediately after that we are adding the peanuts into it and stirring it, giving a nice mix. Mix it thoroughly, and when this peanuts mix nicely with the jaggery syrup, we are going to switch off the flame. This is all ready now. We are going to take it out and spread it over the kitchen slab and quickly spread this nicely using the ladle. You can also use this rolling pin to make a very thin layer of this. Set this in this way nicely, and all this process should be done very quickly, otherwise it will turn very hard and it will be difficult later to cut into pieces. Once it is set, don't wait for long, just go ahead and cut into the pieces. The key ingredient in this recipe is the jaggery. We should always use that organic jaggery which is free from salt, especially because if it contains salt, it will not give you that crunchy texture. So always use this organic jaggery, which we call as unde bella in Kannada, which is also very healthy when compared to other kinds of jaggeries. See how beautiful it looks, and you must see the texture of it. It is just like a store-bought one. So the taste is also good, the texture is also good. and a very simple and healthy recipe which can be quickly prepared as a snack and can be stored for a long time. These chickpeas are my all-time favorite, and I'm definitely going to try this recipe by myself, and I'm sure you will also be trying this recipe and sharing your feedback with me. That's all for today. Meet you all again with another interesting video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching.